You want to get a clear glowing skin with banana face mask? Please watch this video to the end. Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, you are welcome. My name is Benedita. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make banana face mask. Banana is great for all skin type, be it oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, or combination skin. Banana contains anti-aging and antioxidant properties that will help glow your skin. This banana will gently nourish, cleanse, exfoliate and moisturize your skin. So I'm going to be adding also olive oil and 5 spoons of milk. So I'm just going to peel the banana. I'm still going to use the back of the banana because it's also great for skin. It's also great, so I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to blend it with my banana. If you have oily skin, you don't have to use olive oil and milk for this face mask. You just have to add lemon juice and honey instead of olive oil and milk. Or if you don't have oily skin, then just follow this process I'm using right now. But if you have oily skin, don't mix it with olive oil and milk. You have to mix it with lemon juice and honey. So I'm just going to blend my banana and also with the back. I'm just cutting it into smaller size. This back is also great to exfoliate our skin and make it glow, so you don't have to throw it away. So now I'm just going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to be adding 3 spoons of this, which is equivalent to 1.5 tablespoons. So if you have a bigger spoon, I'm just using this smaller spoon for this video. And also add in my milk. This is the size of the cup that I use. So yeah, our banana paste is ready. As you can see. So guys, while I was applying the first layer of the mask, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording, so I just decided to make another video. So I'm just applying another layer into my face. It's normal if the banana change color. Yes, you just have to mix it together and apply on your face. Apply on those places that you feel dry. My dryness is mostly on my nose area, so I apply more on those areas. So you just have to apply it all over your face, your neck, everywhere on your face. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then wash it out with cold water. This is my face after washing it out and moisturizing it with my face moisturizer. I don't even know why I'm dancing. Yeah, I really love how my face looked later after the mask. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.
Keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are issues of life. Proverbs 4:23.